Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing copycat version of Texas Roadhouse rolls. Okay, you wanna first start off with a medium-sized saucepan, and you want to add 1 3/4 cup of milk. You want to bring that to a medium heat. When it starts to boil, we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to pour it in a bowl over an ice bath. And we're going to let that cool. Okay, now that this is cooled to room temperature, you can take it out of the bowl and add 1/2 cup of water and 3.25 teaspoons of instant yeast. And just whisk that up. You want to make sure it's not too hot because you don't want to kill your yeast. Now we're going to just set that to the side, and in a big bowl, we're gonna add our flour and our dry ingredients. Add 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour to a big bowl. You wanna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of malt powder. That's optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. You also add 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt. Then you add 1/2 cup of sugar. You just wanna mix this up. Now that you got all that mixed up, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. You wanna melt this, but you wanna let it cool before you pour it in here. Add your butter, mix it up. Now, we're gonna add our milk and our water and our yeast mixture. Just pour it in slowly. You can also do this with your mixer if you have one. I'm also gonna add 2 eggs, one at a time. Okay, once you got it mixed up pretty much as good as you can get it, we're gonna dump it out on our floured area. If you're doing this with a mixer, yours will be a ball right now instead of this. We like to do it the hardest way possible around this house. You gotta earn your food, I guess. Okay, with floured hands, start kneading your dough. It's gonna be sticky for a little bit, but just keep at it. Just keep adding flour. Oh God, my mess. Just keep going. All of this will come off eventually. Okay, after you get your dough kneaded, spray a big bowl, put your dough inside, and then cover with a dish towel and put it in a warm place to rise for 2 hours. Okay, so our bread is coming out of the bowl for some reason. It's too much. It's been 2 hours, so I'm gonna take this out. You just hit it just to get all the air bubbles and stuff out. We're just gonna roll it out on this table. We're just gonna get all the air bubbles out. We're just gonna knead this out a little bit, getting all the air bubbles out, and then we're going to make these into little round rolls, and then we're gonna get them ready to bake. Get you a cookie sheet, spread with olive oil. Okay, we don't want to make these too big. Okay, we don't want to make the little rolls too big. We're going to roll them out, and then we're going to put them on our cookie sheet, and then we're going to put another cookie sheet on top of them. We're going to let them sit for 20 minutes, and then they'll be ready to bake. Just a little piece of dough. I'm sure the palm of your hand is bigger than mine. I take it, little palm of my hand, like this. We're going to put it down on the countertop, and we're going to roll it. And we're going to keep doing that until it makes a perfect little round ball. You can add a little pressure to it, that helps. Just keep doing this over and over and over again until you get all your dough on cookie sheets. Okay, now that you got your little dough balls rolled out, we're gonna put a cookie sheet that's the same size of it on top, and then we're gonna throw a tea towel and kind of wrap it around it, and then we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna bake these. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna put our rolls into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You may want to watch them. It depends on your oven how hot it gets, but I have mine on 350, and I'm gonna pop mine in for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and I've got the rolls out of the oven. You want to immediately add salted butter to the top of these. And there you go, your Copycat of Texas Roadhouse rolls. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.